Elon Musk says this new Tesla engine will destroy the EV industry. Elon Musk has just unveiled a Tesla engine that would ruin the electric vehicle market. He used to go on and on about the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor. Tesla's new electric motor even hinted at a crazy higher RPM version coming in the upcoming Roadster. The enhanced carbon-wrapped Plaid electric motor is expected to increase the performance limit of current and future Tesla automobiles. What is the operation of the Plaid electric motor? How big is it? What makes it different from the present Tesla motor, and why is it wrapped with carbon? Stay tuned to Elon Musk Prime to know everything about it. Creative minds are constantly seeking new ways to push the boundaries and achieve the impossible, and Tesla has dominated the industry because of Elon Musk's bright intellect. From Tesla to SpaceX to Neuralink, Elon Musk's investments seem to be doing well. He has also become Twitter's top shareholder, which is likewise doing well. As a result, it is almost difficult to condemn Musk for attempting to mend things that are neither morally nor legally defective. Similarly, his attempts to develop the Tesla Plaid electric motor come within this category. Elon Musk has emerged with yet another astonishing creation. After the AI bot and semi-trucks, Tesla Motors has undergone massive transformations. One of science's most remarkable achievements is the motor. Tesla's CEO introduced a new engine in May 2022. This engine seems to be flawless and performs far better than Tesla's prior engines. The new motor has been radically redesigned and has no resemblance to the previous conventional motors. Musk even referred to the engine as crazy information regarding the future Tesla electric motor. Elon Musk has launched many cars. This motor will be available in higher RPM variants that will be carbon-wrapped. Tesla's in-house technical team developed the Plaid Motor as part of the engine update announced in October 2021. According to Musk, the newly developed Plaid electric motor would allow a considerable decrease in the complexity of the powertrain while simultaneously improving performance and economy. This new motor is so superior that Tesla could simply replace its present car portfolio with vehicles equipped with cutting-edge electric motors without making any additional adjustments. Elon Musk said at a press conference in 2017 that the newly built engine was virtually unbreakable. He also said that he hoped to set a world record using it. With his comment, we got a sense of how this strong motor works and how it varies from anything else on the market right now. The electric motor is generally recognized as one of the innovations that have made the greatest contribution to humanity. The creation of the electric motor is greatly undervalued. It is currently found in a wide range of equipment and appliances like electric vehicles, laptops, fans, washing machines, water pumps, and refrigerators. However, it was invented almost a century ago by the great physicist Nikola Tesla. Electric motors function on a fairly simple premise. The axle or metal rod at the opposite end spins when current is fed through one end. The energy generated by this process may be used to power a machine of some type. However, you may be wondering how electrical energy becomes mechanical energy. This conversion is performed by an electric motor using electromagnets. These are somewhat different from the typical magnets to which you are accustomed. The generation and maintenance of a magnetic field in electromagnets requires the passage of an electric current. That is, as soon as the current stops flowing, the magnetic field disappears. A permanent magnet, on the other hand, as the name indicates, continually maintains a magnetic field. Every electric induction motor contains a rotor and a stator. The rotor is the revolving component, and iron bars that transmit electricity are all around it. The stator, on the other hand, is simply a collection of copper wires. Because it is immovable, coils coiled into it stay static. When electricity is delivered to the stator, it is linked to an electrical power source, in this example a DC battery, which houses the rotor. The charged atmosphere rotates the rotor and powers the vehicle. However, batteries can only provide direct current, but electric motors need alternating currents to function. To solve this mismatch, the direct current from the battery is routed via the inverter first. Before transferring it to the electric motor that powers the car, the inverter converts direct current to alternating current. Although it is expected that this improved motor will follow the same principles as its predecessor, there will certainly be some substantial alterations that will allow it to outperform it. The Plaid motor is said to be so little that it can only be lifted by one person. It will be strong enough to power an automobile weighing more than 1,000 pounds. Because this motor is encased with carbon, it generates a stronger electromagnetic field than a similarly sized motor wrapped in a metal such as steel. Because of the substantial radial acceleration, the carbon is also able to keep constant and prevent the copper wires from expanding. Although this approach has several benefits, wrapping carbon around copper is very difficult. This is due to the two elements' distinct rates of thermal expansion. As a result, Tesla Automation, a part of the car maker, had to create a totally new machine to grow man engineering in order to achieve its aim. Tesla purchased this wing of its company in 2017 for around $150 million. And it's not the first time Tesla has manufactured parts in-house to speed up or enhance its production process. They are well known for manufacturing their own body panels, chargers, and batteries. Aside from that, there were reports that Tesla may set up a chip production site amid the awful semiconductor shortage that stranded so many manufacturers. Many of Tesla's competitors would be glad if this did not occur. Despite the fact that the new Tesla Plaid motor is plainly smaller than the previous motor, it is expected to function at a previously unheard of degree of efficiency and performance. It's also the only electric motor in production anywhere in the world with carbon sleeves. This ensures increased torque and allows the Plaid motor to run at higher RPMs. Still, it seems that the Plaid electric motor has received some criticism. Tesla originally predicted that its groundbreaking engine, located in the Tesla Model S, would keep 1,000 of its 1,020 maximum horsepower en route to the stipulated peak speed of 200 miles per hour. However, test drivers for the American Auto Enthusiast journal Car and Driver stated that they had just barely attained a high speed of 162 miles per hour during a different test session. Since then, the car maker has said that this issue would be resolved by an over-the-air software update. The Plaid motor is tiny enough to fit into any production car, but it looks like the Tesla Roadster is the one that needs it the most. The Roadster was Tesla's first automotive vehicle. However, the American corporation opted to discontinue production. The new Plaid motor will most likely be used in the second version of the Tesla Roadster, which is presently in development. The new Roadster should be able to achieve 60 miles per hour in 1.1 seconds and have a torque of over 10,000 Newton meters. To put things into perspective, the quickest production vehicle at the moment was the Plaid version of the Model S, which drifted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds during a test in 2021. Due to supply chain constraints, the Cybertruck's another vehicle that might benefit from this extraordinary feat of engineering. This vehicle's manufacturing has been frequently delayed by Tesla. However, those difficulties may have just provided Tesla with an excellent opportunity to improve its performance by putting this little magic motor into the equation. The carbon-wrapped electric motor technology may be used in Tesla's upcoming semi-truck, which intends to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 20 seconds while towing 80,000 pounds of cargo. This cutting-edge motor might be utilized in Tesla's unofficially suggested electric aircraft. We may expect the gap between Tesla and its competitors to widen more with the development of better efficient batteries and this new Plaid electric motor covered in carbon fiber. Elon Musk also said that the Tesla technical team has moved its focus to developing a platform for a next-generation electric car that will be half the price of the Model 3Y platform. Tesla has been promising to manufacture more cheap electric vehicles for years, but strong demand and inflation have forced prices to grow instead. The goal is to mass-produce smaller electric cars at a cheaper cost. In that event, Tesla will almost certainly design a platform that allows the manufacture of such vehicles, therefore extending the market for EVs. Could this new Tesla engine revolutionize the industry? Write yes or no in the comments section below, and click the video on the screen now to watch another fascinating video.